Hey, what's going on, everyone? Listen, I want to share with you guys my pond creation project that I did. Had to first start off with an outline in the bottom of the pond. Had to take in consideration that my backyard slopes going forward, so it was a little challenging getting the pond leveled off and digging a hole a certain way because when it rains, the rain goes down forward, so they won't have anything where the actual pond water can go in and runs right out. And you also want to make sure it's still as flat as possible or level as possible in there. A lot of back and forth digging in Georgia heat, over 100 degrees, sometimes digging too much, sometimes not digging enough, but I eventually got it. With doing this, guys, I use a no-edge border where I laid the fast setting concrete. It's not wet or anything, so it's still the powder. When I did that, then I laid the paper stones around it, give a good, nice border around. If you notice the ones in the front, they're 2 stacks high, and the back is just one because the yard is sloping down forward, so gives that illusion that it's, 2 going around, but you don't have to do that in the back. After I wet the concrete, dries for about an hour, put some sand around it. And on top of the sand, I put in my medium-sized pond pebbles, put some in the pond as well, and also some of the smaller river rocks to go in the pond to get that nice look on it. Wet them up to get all the dirt and erosion off of them. And then from that point, I filled in the pond with water, put in a couple chemicals, help get it clean, put a little bit more mulch and pond pebbles around the pond to give a nice, steady look around everything. For that, the next step, I added my fountain in. Everything in the backyard is solar powered. The lights, the pond. I didn't want to run electricity out there. It was a little too pricey for me with doing it. So everything's solar powered. It charges during the day, and it also, runs the fountain during the day. But at nighttime, it also illuminates and runs the fountain then as well. This project altogether took me one day, just one day as far as the pond to put together. It ran me probably a little bit over $700 with all materials, pond included and stuff. But I'm real pleased with the end result with getting everything together with it. And it's real nice to put more chemicals in there. So it's a lot more clear on that now from when I originally did this video. And like I said, at nighttime, you see how everything illuminates up. Real nice, grown and sexy, serene environment. The light is on the fountain. I got, everything solar powered. Got a pump running and everything. Looking to add fish to it soon. But I'm super proud of myself. You guys let me know what you think about it. Again, it's just one day's work, man. So I'm super proud of it. Let me know what you think. Take care.